Would you like to learn how to become a money magnet? Wow, then this video is for you. I have an amazing story of a wonderful lady. She has been part of the Dinas Fitness community, and now she's part of the Quantum membership for 3 years consecutively. And today she's here to share her transformational journey from just a normal housewife to becoming a money magnet. And you know what? Stay with me till the end, because right at the end, I'll convince her somehow to give that one tip if you also want to start attracting money. Hey Ranjana, welcome. Welcome to the show. Thank you so much for being here. Where are you from?
Thank you, Dee. I'm from Bangalore. So yes, it's amazing to be doing this interview with you, and I'm so grateful to universe that it got you into my life, who has transformed my life from I'll not say from nothing to this, from something to something great.
Wow, wow. So you joined DFC in which year?
2021.
And why did you join DFC?
It was basically for weight loss. So yeah.
How much weight did you lose in your journey?
In the first, I think I did my weight loss almost in the first 7-8 months of joining DFC itself. I lost close to 24 kgs. So yeah, and after that I've been consistent at that weight, never gained back that weight, because previously also I used to go to gym, have a personal trainer, lose the weight, gain back the weight. So it was like ping pong going on always. So I can proudly say in last 3 years I've not gained back that weight.
Fantastic.
I somehow feel it is all because of the mind programming that you teach us. You change from within. You know, over the time, it's like I don't have that fear that I'll gain back that weight. So yeah,
wow.
That's all.
Wow. So Ranjana, tell our viewers, what do you do?
I'm a embedded designer. I did my engineering in electronics and communication. So I continued to work in the same field. So in 2019, due to various reasons, I quit my job in the corporate world, where I was working as a senior staff engineer in the last job that I was holding. And I wanted to do something sitting from home. So once I quit my job, I started consulting. I was consulting for a US firm. And then during COVID, it all slowed down a little. And then post-COVID and post-DFC, and as my quantum journey started, I started consulting here for an Indian firm. And also on my way to become an entrepreneur. So I've started my partnership company, a private limited company. We registered sometime last year in 2023, but we started our operations this year in 2024.
Did you ever dream that you will, do something really big? Did you plant that seed any time in your life when you were a young girl?
20 years back, when I did my finished my engineering. So the story goes like this. So I completed my engineering from one of the top colleges in Bangalore. And we used to have campus placement starting in our 7th semester. We would, by the time we finish our 8th sem, 99% of us would be placed, and we would generally have 2 job offers in our hand. So we could choose what we want to do. So when that happened, so I somehow didn't want to move to software industry. Reason being, I studied electronics and communication, and my dad was like, you can any day work in a software industry. You'll have to switch. So you better go in for a job which is in your own field. If you're not interested, then you can change later. I had 2 offers in my hand when I finished my engineering. Both my offers were into software domain itself. So then the company where I did my final year project, so they offered me, do you want to give a test? Generally, they wouldn't hire freshers. And into embedded design, it's very rare freshers get hired. because it requires that much intensive concentration and study. You never stop studying. It's like what you learn in college is just the base. So you have to build from there. And nobody wants to invest on a fresher to teach them, because what if you quit? And then it's a waste of their time and effort and money in training you. It'll all be on job training, but still it is too much of an expense for them. So I said, okay, let's give a try. And I got my job there. My pay was like half the pay that I had in my offer, which I already had. I never felt, okay, I'm getting less or something. And I joined. And in that year, something I had in my mind. I don't want to be a small fish. I want to be a shark. Some point in my life. So that, I would say, was the seed which I laid back in 2004 when I just passed out. And then 2 years down the lane into my corporate life, I got an offer from a startup. And in startups, it's generally like most of them will be like 8 to 10 years experience. And I just had 2 years, less than 2 years experience when I finished my interview. And I had interview with the CEO who sits in US to directly take the thing. So it was something that I really cherish, because nobody would offer a 2 years experienced person a startup journey, because startup always helps you learn from scratch to the product. Because when you are in a well-established company, you are a small part of it.
Yes.
And you get to do only small things because processes are set. When you're in a startup, there's no process. You set the process. So that gives you that much of freedom to learn more, to understand more, and to grow more. So that was my journey. I stayed there for 14 plus years almost in that company when I quit in 2019. So after that, it has been like people offer you for your knowledge, offer you money for your knowledge. So I could say I've gained that knowledge. I'm still learning because technology keeps changing. It's not that. And somewhere my DFC journey with you has always taught me that you should never stop learning.
Education.
Yes, you always upgrade yourself.
Yes.
Only when you stop learning is when you stop growing.
Yes.
So yes, that's the golden nugget I would say I would learn from mind programming for my professional journey.
Is that because of the knowledge that you're gaining from quantum, is that why you're coming back to quantum again and again, because of knowledge and education?
Definitely, definitely. Because you can never say it is done. You're never done. You will keep learning until you are alive. That's what I have learned from these years. So you need to keep learning, because every year of quantum, like now this is my 3rd year, and definitely coming back for the 4th year or the 5th year until you keep doing it. So because every year it has been a different learning, different growth in all the perspectives. One simple thing that you say, the way you do one thing is way you do everything. So just an incident that happened yesterday. So I had to go to office where I'm also consulting for a firm and also continuing my job with my company as well. So I had to go to the place where I'm consulting because the juniors had some trouble with the testing of the board. So I had to go help them with debugging of the device. So I went there, and also yesterday was my daughter's dance class, one senior student's Ranga Pravesham or Arangetram that they call. So it is like commitment, like you have to attend that in the evening. So I went, finished my work, and came back in metro because I've stopped driving because of Bangalore traffic. Metro works much easier, relaxed. You did no need to get into the road stress again. So came midway. My daughter came in metro to that place. Then from there, we thought we'll book an auto and go to the auditorium. And it happens that we don't get any auto, any cab, nothing. And the auditorium is almost 2+ kilometers. So I had an option: get back into the metro, come back home. But my quantum journey has taught me now, never give up. So
Hmm.
I thought, okay, let's walk. Vaishnavi is like, Mama, you're going to be doing trekking with that laptop on and all those things. I'm like, "ठीक है, चलता है, let's see." And then we walked, we went to the auditorium, saw the entire program, and came back home.
Wow.
This is a small thing. It definitely wouldn't impact my business or anything,
No.
but that learning is taking me into different aspects to apply that onto different aspects of life. So that's what I say. Quantum is not transforming me into only my career growth or only in my professional journey. It is allowing me to think how I can apply this learning to different aspects.
Wow. Wow. And we started this show by telling our viewers that Ranjana has now become a money magnet. I'd like you to share that journey with our viewers so that they also get inspired.
Okay. So when I started Quantum in 2022, so when you announced, I was in a music class with my teacher. I was just listening. When I paid attention, it was that slide where you were telling how much you have to pay. I really didn't know what is this for. I said, okay, I trust my mentor, and what I've gained in 1 year of DFC, it cannot get any worse than this. It will only improvise from here. So
Wow.
I trusted you, just made the payment. And network was so bad there. I had to walk out, get to the main road, stand there in the road and made the payment.
Wow.
So, and from there, and I didn't know how am I going to make the payment. I think we had to make payment within that month in 10 days or 15 days or something. So within that 10 days, I got the money to make the payment. And after that, in this 2 years of Quantum, the day I make the payment for that year, I also make a deposit for the next year.
Wow.
So I did not think that time. I have to just ensure that I get my deposit back on that day before I can make the next payment. So that is how it has been. And in my professional journey, so as I said, your knowledge is money now. So once I started consulting, I signed the contract based on my terms. Nobody else tell me I'll pay you 1 lakh for this amount of time. I say I want this much for my the service that I'm bringing in, my expertise that I'm bringing in. So just one thing, when this year my contract with the consulting firm was getting really revised, they were like, no, this much will be higher and all this. And then fine, I said, if this is higher, you have to also see. Although my revision was supposed to be done a month back, and you had promised me like 6 months I will get the revision, and I didn't even demand then because I knew how the project is running. Now I know project is running fine. You either pay me or I have things to do. It's not that I'm not having anything else to do. Then they agreed. The back and forth, some discussion happened. They agreed on my terms. So now I've attracted that what I demand, what I put out in the universe comes to me. And they also offered me a board of director position in their company, which they're going to launch. But I had to say I cannot do it because being a board of director on somebody else's company is your liability as well. Because if anything goes wrong in the company, then you can be held responsible for that.
Yes.
So I had to say, no, I'll not do it. But somebody who doesn't know you more than a year and who doesn't know you personally as well, who knows only your professional skills, if they can come back and offer you such a position, it means I have earned that from the universe. And I've attracted that. So sometimes it's because it's not only the numbers that you see, it's all these positions that make a difference when you go out there in the world. Because
absolutely.
Yes. So, and then with the company we started our operation recently. So I've been able to attract that money just 1 month into operation, we have been able to raise quite a good amount of invoice and attract that money into our accounts. So
So,
that's why I would say I've become a money magnet thanks to you.
So Ranjana, tell us and tell our viewers that Quantum is all about the masterminds that we have, the private group of Genesis that you're in, the retreat and the one-to-one calls. Tell our viewers how have each of these impacted you, especially because your expertise is now health is on automatic mode. We don't even
Yes.
talk about health in Quantum now, and we are only focused on money, mindset, and growth.
Yes.
Tell our viewers how each of these has helped you.
The quantum masterminds help us in clearing some. See, everybody faces some difficulties, some challenges that come up. We can never say we are free of all challenges. Challenges are ongoing, and so it helps to clear out those disturbances. Like now, mostly it is for me that most of those things are also on automatic mode. So I really need not think, but there are some challenges, some health issue or something, somebody in the family has health issue. So then it somewhere disturbs. So that can be calmed down much faster than what it is out. I would say it is out of the scope of just your diamond membership. It is something that you get only in quantum. And we have an access to you, like anytime we are not able to face, we can get back to you, and within few seconds, I would say the affirmation you give, it is those words or that belief, I don't know, that belief in that affirmation that you have given, that it will make everything right.
Yes.
So it has, that quantum journey has been an amazing learning experience, one by one. And sometimes during our one-to-one, I come with a clean mind. I don't have any questions to ask also. And I don't know what I want to ask you. And you come up and give me the pathway to look at. On my last one-to-one call, when you said, this is the amount I want you to achieve by 2025 December. So that target has sat in there in my mind. And whatever I'm thinking, that's the first thing that comes to my mind. I didn't put out that intention into the universe. It is you who put out that intention for me in the universe. So that sometimes it always helps because having a mentor sees what you can achieve than what you yourself feel. Because sometimes we have those limiting beliefs. I cannot do this. I may not be able to achieve this. We always target what we see, and the mentor sees beyond that. So as a mentor, you have seen beyond what I think of myself, what I can achieve. Maybe I had dreams. I wanted to become a shark someday, but you saw that shark need not come 10 years down the line. It can come now.
Exactly.
So that is what you have put it in my mind. And not only in my,
no fears.
Yes, no fears. You're like, okay, I will go to it. And now I have got into my mind, I take calculated risk. It is not like just jump into something. You secure things for yourself, secure things for your family, and then think what you can do. So that is what I have learned over my quantum journey, in my one-to-one calls with you.
And what one line of would you like to say about the private Genesis group?
Transforming. Everybody is on everybody's tail. So it's like, you cannot slack. What I have felt, okay, I have never slacked in my personal journey. So, but what I look at in the group is when people are down, there is a group to hold your hand and pull you up.
Beautiful.
But you have to come out there and say, what is your problem? So somebody or the other, even if you're personally, if we get back to you, you're definitely there. Within some time, we get the response from you. Even the group, like, it's like all of us are growing and we are holding each other's hand and trying to lift each other's up.
Nice. So we have promised, what an amazing story and what an amazing share. We promised our viewers that you're going to give them one tip to have money mindset. What is that one tip?
First thing is trust your mentor. Your mentor can see beyond what you can see for yourself.
Wow. Wow.
And just trust it, because everything is about trust. If you trust and believe in that, it will happen.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Ranjana, for this amazing share and this amazing journey. And for those of you who are watching this video, and if you're part of this DFC family, I want you to know that this community is just not about weight loss and health. As you get these results of health and weight loss, it's important for you to start thinking about money and having that money mindset. And most important is, if you are not part of the community, go to the description, click on the link and register for my free webinar. And I can't wait to see you get started at the community. Thank you for being here on this channel, and I can't wait to do the next video for you. Thank you so much, Ranjana.
Thank you, Dee.